Facebook, and YouTube. Today on How Hugh Eats, I'm going to try making a little bit of the Ezekiel bread flour that I made up the other day into a bread cake and cook it in the air fryer. So let's see how that goes. It's going to be a small batch, so let's try. I'm going to start out with 1 cup of the Ezekiel flour, or thereabouts. Ooh, maybe even less than that. I'm going to start out with just a small amount. Oh, even less, so that's like barely half a cup, because I don't want to make a lot. And now, if you know I'm not a real baker. I'm not a real cook. The only thing I really was a real cable guy. There you go. There's a little bit of yeast. Of olive oil, because I like olive oil. Okay, I'm going to mix in a little bit of water at a time. See how that looks. And while I'm here, put a little bit of salt in it. Try that, see how that does. A little bit more oil. Okay, you know what? I'm going to cover that, let that sit for 15 minutes or so, and we'll come back. Everything's an experiment now. While I'm still learning this, I'll probably be learning it forever. So, put on some food handling gloves. Maybe it won't stick as much. Let's pull that out and toss it around a little bit. Oh, okay. Put a little bit of oil down here. Spread it all around. Stuff's pretty grainy. Maybe I need to work more on okay, I don't know if you can see that as a patty. Okay, here's my chunk of bread. Put this over. Okay, so I have it in the fryer. Can you see that? Okay, let's see what happens. Definitely smelling like it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And what I'm trying to do is make these like an oat cake, like Ezekiel might have actually had to eat. So there we go. Can you see that? Doesn't look terrible. Zoom in on that a little bit. There we go. I've got a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of vinegar. I think I need some honey. Okay, I have some clover honey here from Peru. hardest time opening stuff up. Gotta grab a little bit out of there. Stick it in there. Okay. Take this little bit of this bread and put it in the honey. Well, that's better. This type of cooking for Ezekiel bread, it needs honey. I have an idea though. I think my 6 ingredient flour needs more wheat. So I think I need to probably have it be 60 or 70% wheat to the other ingredients, and I think that'll help it out. So I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna mix more wheat in there. Alrighty, out.